outputs. For those that are not familiar, it's a complete integrated system. Everything is built into that box. The control system, the matrix switcher, the audio amplifier, audio DSP, mic mixer, it's all built into that box. And new this year is the DMPS 300C AEC. AEC stands for Acoustic Echo Canceling. This is very important for video conferencing systems. I'm sure we've all seen or heard that audio looping that can take place in a video conference system and give you that echo effect. Typically you need some third-party hardware and software to try to eliminate it. It's not necessarily the easiest thing in the world to do, but now it is. We've built it into the DMPS and made it very, very easy for you to be able to deliver clean, intelligible audio in those video conferencing systems. New to DM, we also have our new 64x64 matrix switcher. This is currently available and shipping. It's built on a brand new architecture featuring blade technology. The blade technology is very space efficient. Specifically, what I mean by that is the 64x64 takes up the same physical rack space as the 32x32. Twice as many inputs and outputs, same physical size. The blades are hot swappable, so you can add cards or upgrade or swap out cards without having to power down the system. All of our matrix switchers, the DM matrix switchers, are now 4K compatible. The 64 features a 15-inch touchscreen display on the front panel. Gives you the ability to control or do complete system diagnostics right from the front panel. It also functions as a video preview monitor. Now we also give you remote capabilities. Built into the 64x64 is a web server. So from any web-enabled device, you can take control of the switcher and again do all your system diagnostics anywhere. 128x128 is coming soon, built on the same architecture, same feature set, it's just twice as big, and that's perfect for your large-scale enterprise applications. I think the most exciting new feature for DM is the ability to stream. We can now stream content. So in addition to all the other output cards for our matrix switchers, we have Cat5e, HDMI, HD-Base-T, single mode fiber, multi-mode fiber, and now streaming. We're streaming H.264 video via RTSP, real-time streaming protocol. For those that aren't familiar, basically the takeaway is it's all standard stuff. We're not doing anything proprietary here. The real benefit to streaming is that it eliminates any distance limitations. So now we can transmit content around the building, around the campus, and in fact, around the world. And we're the only ones that give you the ability to stream from any one of our matrix switchers, DM matrix switchers. So whether you have you're connecting small rooms or big rooms, you are transmitting 1080p or 4K, or streaming your content. You know, whether you want to control from your device or our device, you want to connect wired or wirelessly, it doesn't matter. We're integrating all of that seamlessly into one solution, one package solution. It all works together seamlessly. The way that we do that, I'm going to sort of end where we began. Hardware. The 3 Series control platform integrates everything that typically works in silos, integrates it together so it all works together. It is uniquely positioned in the marketplace. It has 5 features that no other system has that you absolutely need to deliver a building management solution. The first is BACnet over IP. BACnet over IP is the native language of building management systems, commercial HVAC systems, and security systems. Only the 3 Series can integrate and communicate with those systems natively. We feature 802.1x authentication technology. That is the network security technology used by United States government agencies and financial institutions. We give you a standard programming platform. 3 Series is built on a .NET framework and enables standard C# programming. We give you dual network capabilities. So on the control system itself, right next to the LAN port, we also give you a subnet control port. This means that we can now set up a separate network alongside the LAN rather than on the corporate LAN. This makes working with IT very easy. It makes everybody happy. IT doesn't have to worry about IP addresses and network traffic. You don't have to worry about speed, reliability, and performance. We do give IT the ability to monitor the AV network or give them visibility to the AV network, because we also provide native SNMP support. So SNMP enables them to see the AV network or the car control network using their software, whether it's IBM Tivoli, HP Open Network, whatever it is. They can see into it so that if they want to monitor it, but we set up a separate dual network. We also have exclusive modular programming architecture. This enables us to run 10 programs simultaneously, but independently. And then that means that we're really dealing with smaller packets of information. It makes programming, troubleshooting, and uploading much faster and easier than it's ever been before. These are all totally unique to the 3 Series platform. And again, as I said before, that gives you an integrated building, but it takes information, it takes data points to be able to make it a smart building. And that's what Fusion does. So Fusion is going to give us the visibility and the data that we need and that management needs to be able to make intelligent, informed, data-driven decisions. They can make more informed decisions about purchasing and staffing, scheduling, resource allocation, energy management, even how to design and build out workspaces. We have clients that have been saving millions of dollars and increasing their productivity and efficiency based on Fusion reports. So they take the data, they take the reports, they're able to analyze it, and they're able to do their jobs faster, better, easier, lower costs, more productivity. So this is really, really important. This is the future of our industry. We can go from being a luxury to being a necessity. We can really provide real business solutions. Technology is not the end, it's a means to the end. We are using technology to solve their business challenges. And that's where we can really become much, much more of a resource for our clients. Now, just like Fusion can tie the rooms together to manage the building, it can also tie all the buildings together to manage your entire enterprise. It is scalable, it is robust, so whatever size your enterprise is, whether it's a few rooms, a few buildings, or several cities around the world, Fusion can help. Now, all this that we've talked about here today exists today. We are doing this now. This isn't some future concept. So right around the corner to your right, my left, we actually built a huddle room with Air Media installed, so you can go use it. We built a conference room. We installed Crestron RL. You can go check it out and use it for yourself. The showcase or centerpiece of our booth is the Fusion Kiosks. We have 4 different kiosks set up for you to demo or to try out for yourself. We have a kiosk for control and automation, energy management, room scheduling, and building analytics. And on this stage, I think you still have one more to do. One more. So in about half an hour, if you want a deeper dive into Crestron Fusion, there's going to be a presentation and demo on this stage in about 30 minutes, so you may want to come back and check that out as well. So thank you all very much, and enjoy what's left of the show. Thank you.